You can hear all the cicadas. Mr. Reed would love it. Actually, it reminds me of Neon Genesis Evangelion. I guess it's like a run around park for the kids. It's a neat little thing. It must have been very difficult or exceedingly. All right, so it looks like we're here, so we'll do a couple of loops. Now, I did read on the website that somebody got Legionnaire's disease from this exhibit, so I'm not going to touch it. But it looks cool. Yeah, apparently the water that they're drawing to water this particular exhibit got contaminated with Legionnaires. Which, you know, it's been a long time since I took pathology. I kind of forget all the symptoms and characteristics of. But either way, I don't want to get sick with anything. So I'm not going to touch anything in this particular part. We are walking through it just because, I mean, it's called the Garden of Tranquility. Oh man, you guys hear that? I don't know if that's part of the art exhibit or that's just some guy going crazy or something like that, you know? I think it's part of the art exhibit, but you never know. I mean, if you walk through the streets of New York, you could see something like that easily. Just some guy standing in a bush with a big metal mask on his face. It's possible. So, these are the Gardens of Tranquility. We'll go into the center real quickly. And then there's the pond. Probably the one that has the Legionnaires. So that's why it says no entry. So, I saw what I wanted to see here.